Okay, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon Bennett. I am the original student of game internet marketing, guys. And in this video, what we're going to do, we're starting a brand new series, guys. You guys can pick up and follow along with me on YouTube if you're not already subscribed to the channel. But we're going to be doing some very short bursts of videos, guys, that's basically going to walk you through how to make money online using email marketing. Okay, using email marketing and automated marketing systems and sales funnels. That's all I talk about in most of my videos. At one point or another, I'll talk about different aspects of email marketing, but basically that's what I do, guys. And there are lots of businesses, big, small, and anywhere in between, who are using email marketing to make money online, guys. And there's just no reason in the world why you guys can't start your own email marketing business right now today. And so throughout this series, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you different resources that you can actually get for pennies on the dollar if you choose, and how to go about setting up your own email marketing business, right? And once you have it all set up, guys, how your automated marketing systems and sales funnels can actually go out and start working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year if you choose, on complete automation. And so here's the beauty, guys. Once they're set up, okay? You set them up once and you let them go to work for you, right? So, guys, to kick off this series, right, what I want to talk about are the three components of your automated marketing systems and sales funnels as it relates to email marketing, right? And so you're looking at the very front door, right, of what's innocent when it's all said and done, which is a campaign that I'm actually setting up as we speak. It's pretty much done, guys. It took me all of 5 minutes to set it up. I have multiple campaigns running in the background inside my autoresponder, which we're going to be talking about. And you can actually set these little campaigns up, guys, in literally minutes. But let's talk about the three components of an automated marketing system and sales funnel as it relates to email marketing, guys. So again, you're at the front door. The first component is what we call a landing page, okay, or a capture page. Its purpose, hello, to capture the data, guys, names and or email addresses of your particular prospects, right, coming into your sales funnel. Okay, that's what the purpose of a capture page is. And as you can see, using this one as an example, I can create them on the fly at the snap of a finger, guys. And again, this is the very first component of your automated marketing system and sales funnel, okay? Capture page. Okay, now, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, component number 2 is redirecting this particular capture page to what we call a high, or what I refer to as a high converting offer. Okay, what's a high converting offer? It depends. It can be a business opportunity, guys. It can be anything you want it to be, depending on what your niche is. Okay, in my particular instance, guys, I'm a problem solver. We talk about solving problems all the time. Why? Because if you can show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, guys, you can get what it is you want in life. And you can be a problem solver in any niche that you choose to be. But just understand that once you have your capture page all built out, guys, you want to redirect that capture page to your high converting offer as it relates to your particular niche, guys. Okay, so a high converting offer, second component of that, automated marketing system and sales funnel. It can be a product, a service, a business opportunity, preferably something that thousands of people are already desperately searching for. Okay, now, guys, the third component of your automated marketing system and sales funnel is once you've redirected to your actual presentation page, which is a bridge page, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, and you talk about your high converting offer, the third component is really a call to action. Okay, basically is going to be a sales page, basically, and they can kind of intertwine with each other. Okay, but just know that those are the components. You're capturing the leads, you know, the potential prospects coming onto your list, You're redirecting to your high converting offer, preferably something that people are already looking for. And then in component number 3, there's a call to action. You know what I mean? If they want to buy, there's going to be a button for them to buy. And P.S. and by the way, guys, I only deal in digital marketing products and services. So why? I knew you guys wanted to ask me that question, and I was ready. I'm going to answer it for you. Because, guys, you can deliver digital products within seconds. From the moment your prospects are redirected to your high converting offer and they click a mouse, right? That click of a button, they can instantly have instant access to the products that they want, service that they want, whatever it is, and you can instantly get paid, guys, okay? Instantly. That's why I love digital products. That's why I love email marketing. That's why I love automated marketing sales systems and sales funnels. Once you set them up, they're all set up and they're ready to rock and roll. Now, guys, let's talk about something that's very important that we're going to be talking about at any given time throughout this YouTube video series, and that is what makes this automated marketing system and sales funnel work. What makes email marketing work? Again, I'm glad you guys asked, guys, and I'm going to give you the answer. I got the answers, by the way, guys, okay? Traffic. Okay, in the last video I did, guys, I touched on traffic just a little teeny bit. I'm going to talk a little teeny bit about it right now. Just understand, guys, that traffic comes basically in 2 forms. Okay, you got free traffic and you got paid traffic. Now, here's the key, guys, when you talk about what makes your internet marketing email business work, right? What makes your automated marketing systems and sales funnels work? The traffic that you pour into your actual funnel, because that's what this is. Once it's all configured, guys, there's a lot going on, right? You're looking at the page, but there's a lot going on in the background, guys, and we're going to be talking about some of those things that's going on in the background. Just keep in mind that once you develop the skill set to set up your own automated marketing systems and sales funnels, you can create them at the snap of a finger. You can create them on the fly, guys, okay? And we're going to talk about that later on. We're going to be talking about all those things, but understand that once it's set up, it's set up. And so what I've been doing over the course of the last month or so, guys, honestly, 6 weeks, I'm just setting up multiple email marketing campaigns, guys. There's a method to my madness. And you guys are going to actually get to see case studies and everything that I'm actually doing in real time. And you're right at the front door now. So you should be excited because email marketing, guys, is one of the very few businesses, right, that absolutely anybody can really get, anybody can get into it. Anybody. You know, if you cut the TV off, right, guys, cut Judge Judy off, Judge Mathis for a minute, you know what I mean? Get off the TV for a second, right? Get off of Facebook for just a hot second, right? And truly think about the awesome power of what you're going to be able to do when you can not only automate your business, but when you know how to position yourself, or should I say strategically position yourself in front of the countless thousands of people who are diligently looking for the product and or services or whatever it is you want to market, whatever niche you decide you want to be in, when you can strategically position yourself right in front of them, right? That's a very powerful thing. It's a very beautiful thing. And so, guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and show you, I just talked about those 3 components of an automated marketing system and a sales funnel as email marketing goes. And now, guys, we're going to go inside the system and we're going to redirect to that second component of the actual system. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to put my email address in, guys, and I'm going to say get instant access. Now, keep in mind, I already positioned myself using traffic in front of what should be my target audience, right? So I'm going to go on and add this captcha or these this code here or the letters to make sure that I'm a real person, or so they say. I'm going to ask for instant access when I hit the submit button. And when I do that, guys, I'm actually going to be redirected to an actual landing page, okay? Remember, the second component of that automated marketing sales system, guys, is that high converting offer. And in this instance, I'm using a bridge page to redirect my potential prospects to that high converting offer. And I do that for a couple of reasons, guys. Number one, you don't have to do this, but I like doing it. I like branding myself right out the gate, guys. So what I did is I took my prospects from a capture page, right, into a bridge page, and you can see it's still congruent, guys, because we're still talking about how to generate $17 for each and every single person you get to click a link. So here, guys, I'm not going to play the video. I talk a little bit more about myself, right? I introduce myself to my potential prospects. I don't want to just send them straight to an offer, right? I want to create a bridge between my prospects and myself so they can kind of get to know me, you know what I'm saying? And remember, there are a lot of things going on in the background here, right? We're going to be talking about them, but I'm going to tell you right now, the autoresponder is one of them. And the reason why you want to continue to, after you've collected the names and email addresses of your potential prospects, and you want to continue to follow up with your potential prospects, because you can continue to re-engage with them. And by doing that, your prospects will get to know you, they'll get to like you, and believe it or not, guys, ultimately, they will get to trust you. And when they get to know, like, and trust you guys, they'll feel comfortable joining you in your business opportunity, trying out your products and your services, whatever it is you may have to offer, guys. Once they get to know, like, and trust you, they'll feel comfortable enough to do business with you. So let's scroll down a little bit. I talk a little bit about myself on this particular page, but what I particularly talk about is what I'm talking to you guys about right now. And I'm going to come right here, guys. If I can make my screen a little larger. Okay, it's gonna work, right? I'll talk a little bit more, if you can see here, guys, about automated marketing and sales funnels. Now, I also, though, I plug the fact that, guys, my best day doing this type of thing was over $6,000 in sales, right? So I talk about that a little bit. But I also talk a little bit more, since that's all I do is use automated marketing systems and sales funnels with my email marketing. I talk about the anatomy of it. And I talked a little bit about that in the last video. So you can kind of see, I talked about that targeted traffic, right? And you can see, we talk about the sales funnel. I see there's a lot going on in the background. So these are things that's going on in the background, guys. And the beauty of it is you got upsells, you got down sales, whatever's going on back here, guys. The whole process is automated. And understand at the very end of it, guys, over here on the right, cha-ching, are dollar signs, okay? If you can understand that, guys, okay, you can do email marketing. You can set up your very own automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And you'll see right here, right, I talk about it, right? The fact that if you have a high converting offer, a product or a service, a marketing system, which I'm talking about now, and traffic, then you can make this work. Anyway, guys, I go on again because I want to brand myself. I talk a little bit about my family up there inside of the bridge page. And of course, guys, I talked about that call to action, right? The third component. And what happens when that happens, guys, should I show you guys? You guys ready? Okay, let's see, can we get it, guys? Let's see, can we get it? We get up here, right? And there's the call to actions. Let's click there to continue to see where my prospects are going to be redirected to. Okay, my computer's a little slow tonight, guys. You gotta bear with this slow computer. But anyway, guys, there it is, okay? That's the high converting offer that we talked about. This is where my prospects will ultimately be redirected to. And guess what, guys? This is where the beauty happens. This is where the magic happens. And guess what, guys? Remember my rule, SW, SW, SWN. What that means is some will, some won't. So what? Next, guys, we're continually pouring traffic into our automated sales systems and our sales funnels. We're continually collecting the names and email addresses of our potential prospects. We're redirecting them to our particular bridge pages, and we're letting the automated marketing system and sales funnels do the work for us, guys. Again, on complete automation, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year if you choose. Now, guys, I did this video so you can see how simple and easy this is. Now, understand, guys, as you're watching this series, I'm going to always have a link at the bottom of this YouTube video, guys, where you guys can get in on this type of thing without having to actually set it all up like I do, right? You know, that's where I'm at now, right? You can get in, and any link that I have in the YouTube video description, that means that the capture page creation is already done for you. The follow-up emails are going to already be done for you. But nevertheless, I'm still going to cover all the aspects of email marketing, what it's done for me, and how you guys can get in on excitement, fun, and profit. Again, if you're on my YouTube video, at the bottom you'll find a link that actually will do all the things that I just showed you in terms of an automated marketing system and sales funnel, but you ain't seen nothing yet, guys. So be careful, because if you ain't, graphic. You might just learn some things you never knew. I'm going to see you guys on the next installment of how to make money online using email marketing and automated sales systems and sales funnels tomorrow. Be here, guys. Really, be there or be square. As always, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.